Okay, this is the Great 401 sewing machine by Singer, and we're going to demonstrate the circle stitcher. Put the foot down, put my foot on the control, and we're doing a ribbon stitch. And the trick is just kind of to hold the pin in place and let the machine do its duty. I'm speeding up a little bit. I have tri-lobe polyester thread on top and bottom, and we're going to have a beautiful 3-inch circle at the end. I've probably gotten up there in the way. Just holding the pin in place. Speed it up for the camera. As you can see, it's stitching beautifully. Motor sounds great. Perfect little ribbon stitch. Add a button, cut out the circle, all done on the Singer 401. Moving around the circle, perfect stitches. The machine just purrs. Spread out of the way. Really nice attachment to have with your 401. You could do this on quilts. And then we're coming to the end of the circle.